Hi, this is Mark.
And I'm Dagmar from Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest Burlington listing
at 4610 Wright Drive.
This elegant home features custom kitchen, 10-foot ceilings on the main floor, hardwood throughout, massive master bedroom with ensuite and more. Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
For visiting us at our newest listing here at 4610 Wright Drive in Burlington.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your property in Burlington, please give us a call. My name is Mark. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And I'm Dagmar, 905-988-7288.